The Dakar Dream machine is back, and this time, it's even more hardcore. Honda has officially revealed the new 2027 Honda CRF 450RX Rally, a factory-built desert weapon inspired directly by the bikes racing in the Dakar Rally. And here's the crazy part, only 50 units will be made worldwide. This isn't just a dressed-up Enduro bike with stickers. This thing was developed by Honda Racing Corporation itself, the same HRC division behind Honda's official rally racing machines. Design and visually, it looks absolutely ready to cross a desert at full throttle. The bodywork is pure rally spec aggression. You get that tall aerodynamic front tower, massive windscreen, sharp Dakar-inspired fairings, oversized fuel tank setup, and long-distance race bike stance that instantly screams, factory racer. Everything about it is built for endurance, navigation, and high-speed off-road punishment. Engine. Under the bodywork sits a race-focused 450cc single-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed gearbox. Reports suggest power is somewhere around the 58 horsepower range, which is serious performance for a lightweight rally machine. Honda also fitted the bike with an upgraded cooling system and rally-spec components designed to survive brutal desert racing conditions. And yes, it even gets an Akrapovic titanium exhaust similar to the setup used on the factory race bikes. But the real magic of this motorcycle is its long-range rally setup. The CRF 450RX Rally reportedly carries a huge multi-tank fuel system totaling around 36 liters. That's massive fuel capacity for crossing long rally stages without worrying about refueling. Suspension. Suspension duties are handled by fully adjustable long-travel racing suspension made for absorbing rocks, dunes, and high-speed desert terrain. Meanwhile, heavy-duty rally wheels and serious off-road tires complete the package. And this machine already proved itself in competition. Honda says the earlier version performed impressively at Dakar, with multiple bikes finishing strong and several riders ending up near the top of the Rally 2 standings. Availability and pricing. Now let's talk about the painful part, availability. Production for the 2027 model is once again limited to just 50 bikes globally. So unless you're a serious rally racer, or a very rich collector, getting one won't be easy. In Europe, the 2027 Honda CRF 450RX Rally officially carries a price tag of €31,140 before VAT. And considering this is basically a Dakar race bike with lights, that price actually starts to make sense. If Honda or Red Moto ever brought this machine to other markets, estimated pricing could land around 2.3 million to 2.7 million pesos in the Philippines, around 38 lakh to 45 lakh rupees in India, and approximately $40,000 to $45,000 in the USA. So yes, this is one seriously expensive motorcycle. But it's also one of the closest things you can get to a real Dakar factory racer.